And viewers, we have seen how Yogi Sarkar swung into action and ensured swift action to resume normalcy in Prayagraj for Mahakumbh. As of now, phase-wise snans have begun with the akhadas lining up one by one to take the holy dip. Overall, 3 crore devotees have taken the holy dip since morning. However, the politics is something that has already begun over the mishap at Mahakumbh. Some SP chief, Samajwadi Party chief, who was in fact in headlines for mocking Kumbh several times ever since it began, is back at it again. Akhilesh Yadav is asking Yogi Adityanath, the UP chief minister, to give control to the army. And that's the latest update coming in at this point in time. And that's the tweet that has been put out by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. Even as the situation in Prayagraj has been brought under control, now there are several exit points that have been opened for the devotees there, so that there is no stampede kind of a situation. And amidst all of this, we are seeing politics also taking place. Let's go across to my colleague Niyamika joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Niyamika, take us through the contents of this post that has been put out by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. Okay, we'll go across to Niyamika in just a bit, but that's the post that has been put out by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, who is trying to suggest that Yogi Adityanath, the UP chief minister, should give control to the Indian army. And let's go across to my colleague Pratibha for more on this now. Pratibha, take us through the contents of this post that has been put out by Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav.
Right, Hina, just to put things in context, after the stampede broke out, the UP chief minister has already addressed the media. He has addressed the devotees and has made an appeal to maintain calm. He has said, don't fall for any rumors, maintain calm. And now the normalcy has already resumed in the Mahakumbh, with the akhadas also going in for the holy dip. Amid that, we're seeing the politics break out. And the Samajwadi Party chief has put out a series of tweets, the Samajwadi Party media cell as well. But this tweet in particular, look at what Akhilesh Yadav has gone on to say in a clear fear-mongering. It's a tweet in Hindi. Let me translate it for our viewers. In order to reinstill faith in the system among the saint community and devotees who have come to the Mahakumbh, it is necessary that the administration and management of the Mahakumbh should be immediately handed over to the army. That's what Akhilesh Yadav is saying, that the security arrangements and the administration should be handed over to the army instead of the UP government and the administration. The truth behind the claims of world-class system has been exposed. Those who were making these claims and spreading false propaganda should take moral responsibility for the people who have been killed in the accident and resign from their post. So amid asking for the accountability, Akhilesh Yadav also being accused of some fear-mongering, because he says that the army should take over and the responsibility of the Mahakumbh should be handed over to the army.
Right. Pratibha, thank you very much for joining us with all of those details. Let me now go across to my colleague Niyamika, who is back with us on the broadcast. Niyamika, first it was Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, and now we have Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav, clearly, unsparing in their criticism on what has happened in Mahakumbh earlier today.
Well, indeed, it is a very big statement which has been given by the Samajwadi Party chief, Mr. Akhilesh Yadav, as he has questioned the entire management, the entire administration of the UP government. As on one side, he is saying that there were some people who were boasting about all the arrangements which are being done in the Mahakumbh, but whatever has happened, this tragic incident, what has happened in Mahakumbh, he has said that now the administration and the management work needs to be given to the army, and that is a very big statement which Mr. Akhilesh Yadav has given today, as he has said that all those people who are saying that proper arrangements are being done for the devotees in Mahakumbh, those people should be held accountable and they should also resign from their position.
Right.
It is what Mr. Akhilesh Yadav is saying. But on the other hand, there are many other leaders of the opposition.
Well, that's why we are saying the politics has already started on this particular issue. Niyamika, thank you for the moment for joining us with those details.